Welcome back to Speak Japanese in 5 Minutes, everyone. This is episode 19, The House and Rooms. I'm Leo, and as always, I'm here at Cafe Jupiter with the amazing Gay Sensei.
Hello, Leo-san. Hello, everyone.
Sensei, check this out. I finally moved into my new place here in Tokyo. It's pretty cozy, but I have no idea how to talk about it. How do I even say house or home?
That's a great topic for today. In Japanese, a very common and warm-sounding word for house or home is uchi. Let's say it together. Uchi. Excellent. Now, if you want to say, this is my house, you would say, watashi no uchi desu. Watashi no uchi desu.
Okay, uchi. I got it. So looking at this next photo, it's basically one main room with a tiny little kitchen space and, of course, a bathroom.
I see. Very typical for Tokyo. Let's learn those. The most general word for room is heya. Try to say it. Heya. Very good. Now, the word for kitchen is daidokoro. Daidokoro. And for toilet or bathroom, we often use a word that might sound familiar. We say, toire.
Okay, so the room, the heya, was completely empty, but I just bought a new desk and a very comfortable bed. Oh, and a simple chair. That's it for now.
Furniture is very important. Let's start with desk. That is tsukue. Tsukue. Next, chair is isu. Isu. And bed is another word from English. It is bedo. Beddo.
My apartment is basically one big room, but what if I wanted to talk about a separate bedroom or living room?
Of course, the word for bedroom is shinshitsu. Shinshitsu. For living room, we say ima.
Okay, 机, 椅子, bed. Hey sensei, quick question. How would I say my bed is big using what we learned in episode 18 about adjectives?
A great question, Leo-san. You are remembering past lessons. You would combine the patterns. You could say, watashi no bedo wa ookii desu. Watashi no beddo wa ookii desu. The particle no is used to show possession or a relationship between two nouns.
This is so useful. Okay, final piece of the puzzle for today. How do I say that something is in the room, like there is a desk in the room?
Location. We use the particle ni to mark the location and the verb arimasu for there is when talking about objects. We also use the particle ge to mark the object that exists. The structure is location, then ni, then the object, then ga, and finally arimasu. So, there is a desk in the room is 部屋に机があります. Let's say that full sentence one more time, slowly. 部屋に机があります.
Wow, that's a full sentence. I think I can practice that.
Alright, time for a fast-paced repetition drill. I will say the word. You repeat it in the pause. We will go through the list twice. Ready? Round 1. うち。部屋。台所。トイレ。机。椅子。ベッド。Excellent. Round 2, a little faster. うち。部屋。台所。トイレ。机。椅子。ベッド。
Phew, that was a workout, but I feel much more at home now. Literally. I'm gonna go organize my...
部屋
Right, my heya. Thanks, sensei. And thank you for listening. Next time on episode 20, we're talking style. We'll learn all about colors and clothes. You'll be able to describe your favorite red shirt
Or those cool blue shoes?
It will be a very colorful episode. Until then, またね